Looking for creative DIY garden projects? We've got you covered. Today we'll delve into the top 5 ingenious projects that are not only easy and fun, but will also transform your garden into a delightful personal haven. Stay tuned to discover these exciting projects. Starting at number 5, we have the DIY bird bath. With just an old basin and some decorative stones, you can create a charming oasis. It's a simple project that brings the vibrant spectacle of beautiful birds right into your garden. This project is sure to make your garden a paradise for birds. Coming in at number 4 is the pallet garden. Transform an old wooden pallet into a vertical, space-saving green haven. It not only maximizes your growing area, but also adds a rustic charm to your garden. With the pallet garden, you can grow more in less space. At number 3, we have the DIY garden path. This project involves placing stepping stones or bricks to create a path, enhancing both accessibility and aesthetics. It's an easy way to add charm and structure to your garden. The garden path will guide you through your own green sanctuary. Our second project is the enchanting DIY fairy garden. It's all about creating a whimsical scene with miniature figures and plants. There's nothing more delightful than letting your imagination run wild in this magical setting. The fairy garden will add a magical touch to your garden. And finally, our top creative DIY garden project is the tire planter. Transform an old tire into a vibrant planter. It's an excellent way to recycle while adding a splash of color to your garden. The tire planter is not only eco-friendly, but also a stylish addition to your garden. And there you have it, our top 5 creative DIY garden projects. From bird baths to tire planters, each project offers a unique way to beautify your garden. So go ahead, experience the joy of creating something beautiful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more creative ideas. Happy gardening!